the queen. Hata sijui mbona unajishuku.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me draw the curtains. So I woke up some time back. Oops, I haven't washed my face. I was just making my wig over there. I'll show that to you. My house is in a mess, a really terrible mess. Oops. Good thing I'm alone in the house, so I'll sort my mess all by myself. Hey, look at my kitchen area. Aki, it's embarrassing. Look at those dirty plates everywhere. I have a lot of work to do right now. I'm going to start off by arranging my house because it's in such a mess. So this is the wig that I had been working on. Here it is. I'm making this wig. Can you see how the strands are so small? I started this wig yesterday. This is how it's going. I'm really in love with this, and I'm planning to start monetizing, like selling my wigs, because I've realized I do make good wigs for myself. My hair accessory shop will be linked down in the description box. You can go check it out. I also do sell some bonnets, like this one especially is from my shop. And guys, let me show you something that I'm also introducing in my shop. Where is that? Just a minute. I can't find it. Anyways, I'll show that to you later. Let me just go ahead, start with my face, do all these stuff, then yeah, we'll get to talk later. So guys, one thing that I love to do is I just like, when I'm wearing my bonnet, I love to cover my ears with the bonnet. I don't know why. I don't love putting it this way. I prefer covering my ears with the bonnet. What do you think? Head over to Beyote Accessories, get yourself a satin lined bonnet or a reversible bonnet that helps in hair care. So right about now, I'm going to head over and just let me show you the mess. You see that pile of clothes over there, I had washed them the previous, like 2 days ago. I haven't folded them. Zimekuwa zikilala hapo kwa kitanda na mimi. So yeah, let's go ahead and work on them, and then also make the bed. All that folding, this is what I have. These are the clothes that are folded. I'm just going to arrange them in my closet. Then from there, I'll start by prepping the house, like cleaning the house, because it's in such a mess. Let me just show you. Look at my sewing area, like it's just a mess. So right now what I want to do is I'll start by cleaning the house. Then after cleaning the house, I'll start with washing the dishes. My sink is like everything is just everywhere. Like kila kitu ni chafu in this house. I haven't cleaned for the past 2 days, and yeah, let's do this together. Stay tuned.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So that's my bed area. I've already, oh, one thing is remaining. So guys, I've already finished like washing the house. It's neat, like my house it's neat as that now compared to how it was before. So right now I want to wash the plates. After washing the plates, that's when I'll start making my breakfast. Let me check the time. It's 12:53 a.m. I haven't taken my breakfast yet, but anyway, I'm going to wash my plates right now. Then after washing the dishes, that's when I'll start making my pancakes for breakfast. After that, I'll just continue making my wig. As we saw earlier, it's so micro, should I say micro tiny or micro braids? It's so tiny, so I have to put in a lot of time and a lot of effort into making it, but I'm glad I'm doing it, and I'm hoping I will get a client for my wig when it's finished, because where it's a pretty one. And I have another one. Anyways, I'll show you that later on. So right now, let's just wash the plates. Continue watching the video, don't log out just yet because I'm rambling so much. Anyways, let's do this. I'm going to put my tea on fire so that it boil as I continue making my pancakes. So I have this milk over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. That's enough. Then I'm going to put in some tea leaves like that. Then I'll just put it on fire.
So guys, I'm so grateful you've watched my video to this point. I'm sorry I lost the video on how I made the breakfast, but this is it. So thanks for watching to this point. Kindly make sure you subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.